everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva on a Windows PC or laptop using the latest 2026 method. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're using Canva on Windows for the first time, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly and confidently. Let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer and go to Canva. Sign in to your Canva account. If you don't have an account yet, create one first. It's quick and free to get started. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Canva home page. From here, click Create a Design and choose the type of project you want to create. You can select popular options like a YouTube thumbnail, presentation, Instagram post, flyer, poster, or choose a custom size. Once your design opens, you'll see the Canva editor. On the left-hand side, you'll find useful tools such as *templates*, elements ***, text ***, uploads ***, projects ***, and apps ***. These tools allow you to customize your design with just a few clicks. To add your own photos or videos, click *uploads***, then select Upload Files ***. Choose the files from your Windows computer, and once they're uploaded, simply drag and drop them onto your design. If you want to add text, click **text and choose a heading, subheading, or body text. You can customize the font, size, color, alignment, spacing, and other formatting options to match your style. You can also explore templates, icons, shapes, stickers, and graphics to make your design more attractive. If needed, use the search bar to quickly find the elements you're looking for. When your design is finished, click the **share ** button in the top right corner, then choose Download **. Select your preferred file format, such as *PNG**, JPG**, or PDF**, and click Download **. Canva will save your design directly to your Windows computer, and that's it. You now know how to use Canva on Windows using the latest 2026 method. With a little practice, you'll be able to create professional-looking designs for school, business, social media, or personal projects in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on